Hello guys, it's Genevieve Tabela Norman. Guys, ito yung tomatoes ko. Itinanim sa greenhouse. Glass house yun sa amin guys. Glass house, color green. Kasi glass naman siya at saka elegant naman yung doon. Ito yung itinanim ko at saka may sili ako doon. I will make sure na tumubo talaga ito sa glass house ng Sweden, sa forest, sa bahay ng father-in-law ko, me, nagplants, of course. Alangan sila, ako. Alangan, Pilipina ako guys. Maybe to my lola. She is very good in planting. And my father, and my mother, may lola talaga yung perfect siya eh. Guys, dito na lang ako. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye. It's red tomato. Swedish to guys. Swedish tomato.